Hey friends, how are my little mathematicians this morning, or this afternoon, or this evening? I don't know when you're looking at this. I know when I'm making it. It's the morning. So, good morning. We are going to continue working on subtraction and subtraction word stories. Remember, subtraction is taking away or taking apart the numbers. So I'm going to start with a story. And then I'm going to give you the example and show you what is expected. And then I'm going to give you a bunch of examples for you to work on your own, or with your mom, or your uncle, or your sister, or your grandmother, or your nana, or by yourself, or with your cat, or with your dog, or with your doll. You'll figure it out. Okay, first word story. There were 7 chocolate chip cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chocolate chip cookies. Mr. Brewster ate 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cookies are left? So I can write that equation. How many cookies did we start with? 7. And then we have our subtraction, minus or takeaway sign. How many cookies did Mr. Brewster eat? And we have our equal sign. How many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Or 7 take away 4 equals 3. Okay. Now I'm not going to draw these other ones. You are. And remember, after I tell the story, you can press pause, draw the picture, write the equation, and solve it. Then you can press play, and you get to hear the next one. That way, you don't have to rush to try and keep up with my mouth. Okay, here we go. First story. On the playground, there were 9 soccer balls. 7 got kicked up onto the roof. How many soccer balls are still on the recess yard? Press pause, draw the picture, write the equation. 9 soccer balls, 7 kicked onto the roof. How many are left? All right. At the park, there were 10 tennis balls in the grass. Some dogs came by and took 4 tennis balls. How many tennis balls are left? 10 tennis balls. The dogs took 4. How many are left? Press pause, draw it, write the equation, solve it. In the garden, there were 10 round rocks. Some kids came and picked up 8 of the rocks to paint for an art project. How many round rocks are left in the garden? There were 10 round rocks. Kids took 8. How many are left? Pause it, draw it, write it, solve it. On the bush, there were 10 ladybugs. The wind blew and 2 flew away. How many ladybugs are still in the bush? All right, this is the last one, and I picked something that might be a little bit more fun to draw. So you can take your time and make them fancy if you want. Also in the garden, there were 10 butterflies. A bird swooped down and 6 butterflies flew away. How many butterflies are still there? 10 butterflies, 6 flew away. How many are left? All right, friends. Happy computing. Do a great job. Do your best. Ask for help if you need it. But you guys got this because you're smart and you're hard workers. All right. Catch you on the flip.